This one, the model number is LD 90451880A4RC. This diameter, post diameter also 25, and the size on length also 900, and width 450, and the height 1.8. The surface finish also column plating, and the loading weight is the same as the last one, is 15 kilogram, and and compared with the 5-layer and the 4-layer, based on our sales record, 5-layer is more popular. If you are interested in, please contact with us. Next, I will also introduce you our 5 tiles column wire shelf. This one with model number LD 9035180B5C SP, and this post diameter is 19, and the length is also 900, but the width is 350. The loading weight of each layer is 13 kilograms, and it's also column finished. Okay, next we'll